Hello and welcome to my channel, Cooking for One. My name is Ernestine and this channel is dedicated to helping people stepping into the world of being single. Now the first step or the first step to cooking for one is I don't cook for one, I cook for me. I cook everything I love with the herbs and spices that I love. And I cook enough to freeze or to keep in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 days in case I don't want to cook. The second tip is fill your fridge and stuff your cupboards with food and herbs and spices you love. I just love being single. I've been doing it almost all my life. I've had relationships, I've been married, but I really love being single. Every time I look in the mirror, I smile. Every time I step out of my garden into the world outside, I love myself. I love how I walk, I love how I talk, I love how I sit. I love me. And that is probably the most important thing, is to love you, regardless of what the world expects you to be, have, or do. Below this video, I've placed a link to my Basil site. Basil delivers worldwide and is a trusted company. Maybe you would like to just make a statement with a gift to yourself, like a t-shirt, saying, every time I look in the mirror, I smile. So I will see you in the kitchen. Thank you so much for being here and being part of my world. Take care.
Today's meal is a very light meal, and I just call it an anytime meal. You can serve it as a starter, depending on what you want to do, but I'm using 5 eggs that I've boiled in one of these egg boilers to make sure that my eggs taste perfect, look perfect, and don't have any blue rings. I'm adding cheddar cheese to these eggs. I really like the deep flavor of cheddar, but you may use any cheese you enjoy. Something like cream cheese. It's entirely up to you. Make it exactly the way you want it, the way you enjoy it. I'm using fresh herbs from my garden. This is basil, but mint and rosemary, or a combination of it, will also really taste so good and mouth-watering that you will repeat this lovely meal again and again and again, because there are just no effort to this, there are hardly any dishes to it, and it's perfect and make you feel really nourished. Now I'm adding some black pepper. I just add a touch. You may add as much as you enjoy for the perfect meal for you. I'm adding some carrot oil. You may use any other oil that you like. I love the taste of carrot oil. Here I've got homemade beetroot salad, but you may serve any other salad with your meal. The basil really forms a link between the beetroot and the egg and cheese and makes it taste great.
Well, hello.
Thank you so much for joining me at Cooking for One. I hope you enjoyed this lovely, light and nourishing meal as much as I do. Take care and be blessed.